first thing that you need to work on is on your self-doubt. What do you say to yourself when you're yourself? It is funny. It is funny when sometimes we say na nagsasalita mag-isa. Diba? Sometimes we make fun of those things. Well, actually, lahat tayo nagsasalita mag-isa. Maybe we do not always open our mouth, but in our mind, we always talk to ourselves. Right? Babae ka, kunwari lang, may nakita kang isang babae, hindi mo gusto yung suot. Malamang, nagsasalita ka na sa sarili mo. Or, nasa Facebook ka or Instagram. Ayan, paborito ngayon ng mga tao, politika. Yung isa nag-comment about his own opinion sa politika. And you disagree. Malamang, nagsalita ka na rin sa sarili mo nun. Even, kahit na huwag ka mag-reply sa Facebook. We always talk to ourselves. So one thing that you need to check is you might be talking to yourself in a disempowering that weakens your ability. It weakens your potential. Because, I'm busy kasi ako eh. I'm still young. And I'm not professional. I'm not smart. You know what? Hindi ako magaling sa English. You know what? Pangu ang ilong ko. You know what? Ang laki ng tenga ko. You know what? Ang haba ng baba ni Sir Jon. Do you guys think that helps you? So watch carefully what you say to yourself. Because again, mahirap makipagtalo sa sarili mo. Wala pang nanalo. Wala pang nanalo sa pakipagtalo sa sarili niya. Right? Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.